Spice up your SoundCloud account with an eye-catching banner that will help you stand out from the crowd. I'm Nona Blackman for Envato Tuts Plus, and in this video, I'll show you how to create a gorgeous SoundCloud banner in 5 simple steps using the SoundCloud Banner Maker from Placeit. Go to placeit.net and enter SoundCloud in the search bar. This will give you access to all the banners at Placeit that fit the SoundCloud header image dimensions. Browse the SoundCloud banner templates, and when you find one you like, click on it to open the SoundCloud Banner Maker. Now you're going to customize your SoundCloud banner. Start with the controls on the right of the template and choose an image that best reflects your musical genre. You can opt for a solid background by using no image at all. You can upload your own image from your computer by using the Upload Image button here. If you have a specific image in mind, you can type a term in the search bar to find the perfect image. I'm going to enter the word abstract and see what I come up with. I like this one. Once you've chosen a SoundCloud header background, choose a gradient overlay for your image, and then experiment with an accent color and a texture color to make your gradient overlay more dynamic. Now move to the left side of the template and enter any text you want to appear on your banner. When you're done, change the font and the font color if you like. In this area, you can also add another text and upload a logo if you have one. You can move and resize your text as needed, and if you don't like what you've done, just hit the Reset Layout button to return to the default layout. If you don't want any text at all, you can toggle this I button off. If it's the only text on your image, you will get the message, "Sorry, you need to enter some text." The way to get around this is to leave the I checked on and simply drag the text off the template. When you're happy with your design, just click the Download button. This will take you to the download page where you have 2 options for purchasing your SoundCloud banner. You can either pay a small fee for your banner or sign up for a monthly or yearly subscription that offers you unlimited downloads of all Placeit's designs, mock-ups, logos, videos, gaming templates, and more. Placeit offers a wide range of gorgeous banners for every taste and style. So head on over today to create a SoundCloud banner that you will be proud of. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, prove it by giving it a thumbs up. And if you want to see other great videos from Envato Tuts Plus, you see that big button there? Give it a great big click to subscribe today. I'm Nona Blackman, and I'll see you next time.